AffiliSites Pro review demo and $3,325 bonus, including multiple software and resellers licenses. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my AffiliSites Pro review, a brand new product released by Glynn Kosky. If you know Glynn, his products are always amazing, and this one is no different. And what this one will do for you is it will create a done for you affiliate marketing sites with product reviews. Okay, so if you're trying to do affiliate marketing and you try to make money this way, you should know that the old ways of sending traffic directly to the affiliate link are just over, because every single person that is successful essentially has a review site like this. I have my own blog, but the problem is, if you are not a technical person, if you are new to this, obviously you don't want to be dealing with domains and hosting and plugins and just doing all the work yourself. And that's why Glynn created this product. Essentially, this is a done for you site. You don't have to create content, you don't have to worry about hosting. It is a cloud-based app that you can start using immediately and start seeing results immediately. So as always, we're gonna go through the sales page, the inside of the members area, the funnel, all of the upsells, and I have a huge bonus, including multiple software, including multiple Dalvis of the day and product of the day rewarded courses, and also resellers licenses. Okay, so I definitely have the biggest bonus package available to it out there. So let me share you my screen and let's jump into this review. And as always, I wanted to show you Fiverr first, because this is always a great place to see what kind of prices are just out there on the market. So I just typed in create a custom website. So if you would like to hire someone on Fiverr to create a custom website for you, you would have to spend around $100 to $150. Okay, so this person says I will create a custom website design. That's 100 euro, which is like $110. And keep in mind, this is not including hosting and domain and all the plugins and everything else. Okay, so this is just for the design. Another person says 90 euro, which is like again $100. I will create a WordPress website, etc. So you can go through all of this in your own time. I got this guy right here for 100 euro. I got this one right here, another 100 euro. This guy says I will create a fabulous customized Squarespace website. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's WordPress, Squarespace, or any other platform. You got WordPress right here. It will always be around $100 to $150. And obviously with AffiliSites Pro, you're getting this for under 20 bucks. So just the pricing is crazy, and obviously you're gonna be getting a ton of done for you stuff as well. So this is the website. As you can see, it says, don't worry, this product has nothing to do with video creation, paid traffic, or social media. Okay, so this will be done for you. AffiliSites Pro, epic new software, creates premium done for you review sites for three-figure daily commissions without experience or tech skills. Bank like a super affiliate even if you've never made a dime online. So again, no content creation, that's the big one. No paying for traffic and no list needed. Okay, so you're gonna be getting 100% done for your affiliate review sites that are plug and play. You're gonna keep 100% of the commissions, and throughout the site you're gonna be getting 100% free traffic that is built into the system. That's a huge one. Zero hosting tech skills experience. This is 100% cloud-based and beginner friendly. Okay, so this is Glynn right here. Obviously you can go through the whole sales page in your own time, but I just wanted to hit on some key points. As you can see, Glynn is actually making like 25K per month just from affiliate marketing, so not even from launching products. Okay, so he made $90,000 in the past few months from reviews just like this one. So he definitely knows what he's talking about. He has some testimonials right here, again some more proof. AffiliSites Pro, that's the name of this new product, and again this is my AffiliSites Pro review. 3 steps, some more testimonials. Again, you can go through all of this in your own time. These guys will give you some bonuses, and obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are offering. A quick demo right here, and I'm going to have the same demo on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. Again, 4 bonuses right here on the sales page, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones. And $19.97, that's the early bird price. Okay, so after the initial launch period, the price will be going up, but $19.97 is what you can expect when it goes live. Okay, so this is exactly what you can expect on the sales page, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So again, I'm not going to do a full demo right now, but I'm going to have a demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So the video I will upload after this one will be the demo, and if you're on my blog, just scroll down and you should see the demo right there. So we have the welcome video right here, then we can edit your profile right here. So as you can see, you can add your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest social links. Then we have the site settings. So again, you can add the title, your about, your favicon, your logo, your theme settings. So all of this is editable. Obviously, you only have to do this once. Then we have affiliate info. So this is where you set up your promotion. So we have the images, we have the title, we have the affiliate link, category, you have the bonus download page, and obviously you can update the affiliate link right here. So all of this is accessible right here. Then you can access your menus, your pages, your categories, your products, and everything else. But the important thing is that right here you can click on visit your site, and this will bring up your site. So keep in mind, all of this is editable. You can change the header, the text, all of the colors, the setup, and everything else. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so we got all of these review videos. We have a little explanation right here. We have the star rating, we have your name, your photo, and everything else. We get the category. So all of this is done for you. So this is what every single successful affiliate marketer is using. So obviously you're gonna have to create these reviews, but the cool thing is that you don't have to create any content, because this will be automatically done for you as well. So actually creating that content, creating videos like I'm creating right now, it takes time. So me personally, when I do a full review video and a full blog post, it takes me like 4 to 5 hours, sometimes 6 hours, okay, depending on the product. But with AffiliSites Pro, this is all done for you, and as you can see, it looks amazing. It's all categorized, and it just looks great, and it saves you a ton of time. So again, this is how it looks on the inside. Obviously, while I'm shooting this, these guys are still adding video training and many more features. So obviously video training does come with it. We have how to set up your affiliate site, part 1, part 2, part 3. Then we have how to add your own reviews, your own pages, your social proof, and then more training will be following shortly. You can sign up, subscribe to their YouTube channel. So obviously this will keep on growing, and these guys will keep on adding fresh content for you to actually use, and everything you need is inside the members area. Okay, so that's exactly what you can expect inside the members area. And right now, let's go through the pricing and all of the upsells. Now, as I mentioned, the early bird price will be $19.97, but that's only for 6 hours. So between 9 a.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. Eastern on the day of the launch. And AffiliSites Pro will be going live on November 24th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so again, 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. you get $9.97, then $29.97, $23.97, etc. The price will be going up. So if you want to pick it up for under $20, make sure to show up early. Then right now I'm just going to show you the prices, and we're going to go through what is included in each one in a second. So OTO 1, we got unlimited version, $97. OTO 2, done for you pack, $97. OTO 3, automated traffic flow, $97. OTO number 4, conversion boosting tool, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67. And OTO number 6, license rights, $197. So these are the upsells you can expect after picking up the main offer. And as always, right here on my blog, I have a full written review for you guys, including the funnel. So right now, let's go through all of the upsells and what these are. So the unlimited version is what it says. So it's an unlimited version. The main version has some limitations to how many reviews you can create per month, and with the unlimited version you are just removing these limitations, and you can take massive action and create as many reviews as you want. Okay, so that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2, done for you pack plus additional features. Okay, so this will actually include some done for you material, like done for you funnels, done for you campaigns, done for you reviews, plus additional features. So again, you just have to pick the one that you want and start promoting. That will be $97 as well. OTO number 3, we got automated traffic flow, $97. So this is a traffic generator, and this exclusive upgrade will just send you high quality traffic to your offers and to your pages, and you can even send it to your landing pages. So You don't have to run any Facebook ads, email marketing campaigns, or Google traffic. The traffic will be sent to you, okay? Then we have OTO number 4, conversion boosting tools, and in this upgrade you're gonna get additional tools such as hello bars, pop-up bars, banners, exit pop-ups, and much more, okay? So just more ways to catch attention, to make a sale, etc. So that's $67, OTO number 4. OTO number 5, bonus page creator. So obviously with the main product you'll be able to create reviews, but if you want bonus pages for bonuses, that's an additional $67. That's OTO number 5. And the last one, OTO number 6, we got $197. But these are license rights, which means that you can sell this product and the whole funnel as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. I'm promoting this as an affiliate. I'm making 50% commissions and you're going to be getting 100% commission. So again, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it all out. This will include the funnel, this will include all the bonuses that I'm going to mention to you in a second, and a written review if you prefer to read and just not keep on watching me in these videos. So again, AffiliSites Pro will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on November 24th, and I have a huge bonus package, as I mentioned already to you a couple of times. First of all, you're gonna get AffiliSites Pro Custom Bonus, which is a bonus that I made myself, and this is a 48-hour action plan for affiliate marketers. Okay, so actually I'm going to show you how it looks like. So these are the steps that you need to take in your first 48 hours if you want to start making money as an affiliate marketer. So everything is right here, and again, this is a custom bonus I made myself. So this is just the first bonus that you're gonna get from me. You're also gonna get some exclusive software bonuses. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna get Affiliate Warrior, that's software number 1. You're gonna get Affiliate Promo Machine, software number 2. You're gonna get Extreme Affiliate Page, software number 3. So that's 3 pieces of software, and then a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products: Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. So that reseller's license pack alone is worth $500. And you're also gonna get Affiliate Traffic Lab, which is another pieces of software. So we got 4 pieces of software. I'm also going to give you 5 done for you campaigns, which are affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, so I normally sell this as an OTO to my own products. You're getting it for free. And now we are going into some W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. You're gonna get $5 CPA every day, $200 cashback, $300 CPA every day. The CPA coffee shop method, you're gonna get $2,000 traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video viral click, affiliate advantage, and image plus, and also list building expert, and 100 e-course publishing tips, together with speedy content publishing tips and slide share tips videos. Now, on top of the 4 softwares that I mentioned, you're gonna get these plugins. So you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags I Ask, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. Now that's a total of 36 bonuses worth $1,825. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus as always. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And again, my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,325. Okay, so again, all of these bonuses I just mentioned, you're gonna get for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up AffiliSites Pro through my link. And again, AffiliSites Pro will be going live on November 24th, that's a Sunday, at 9 AM Eastern. And just to show you how to claim my bonus, now all of my bonuses are always automatically delivered with your download. So if you will use my link, which you can do just by clicking on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you are watching on YouTube, you can click the first link in the description. That's the link that will take you directly to the sales page, but only after the product goes live, so only after 9 AM on November 24th. All you have to do on Warrior Plus is just click on your icon right here and click on purchase history. This will bring up this page, and then just click on whatever product you got from my link, open up this page, and you should be able to see my bonus right here, right below the green button that says access your purchase. Okay, so you should have another button saying bonus from Art. So this is how you actually get my bonus. So again, if you use my link, it should be there. If not, you can just email me or leave me a comment and I will make sure you get that bonus from me. And again, just going through Fiverr, guys, you know, creating a site like this costs $100 to $150. You can actually do this for yourself and for other people. And obviously, if you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, you do need a site like this, because again, just sending traffic directly to an affiliate link will not work. Even if you have the best traffic in the world, even if you have thousands of clicks per day, people will not buy, because people want to see these reviews, people want to get bonuses, etc. Okay, so this is the way of doing affiliate marketing correctly. This is how every single affiliate marketer does this, and just there's no way around it. Okay, you need a review site, and this is exactly how you're gonna get it for just $20 in the cloud, no installs, no worries about hosting, and it's all done for you with no content creation. So I'm super excited about it. Again, AffiliSites Pro, amazing product. Get it from my link to get all of the bonuses, and if you have any questions, please let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, please leave me a like and also subscribe to this channel for more reviews just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very, very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.